Dirt Fishman here again, y'all. It's another video. I'm gonna be opening up my car culture. First one up is the Porsche 962, the pair of them. Yeah, see what these bad boys look like on the turner. So I can get them open. First one up is the blue and white one. Check that thing out with the Havoline delivery on it. Got Porsche on the wing up there. Got the number 8 on it. And that is a beautiful casting right there. I was lucky to get this one right here, y'all. Nice one. Yep. I like it. Got the 2 different style rims on it too. Yep. And the next one is the red and black one. It's got a van on it, livery. It's a 25 on it. Another nice casting right there. There's the different rims on it too. Yep. Up next, we're going to have the Datsuns. See what these jokers look like. And next we got the red, white, and blue one. Got number 85 on it. Got Datsun on the hood. Got some headlight detail on it. Datsun on the side. BRE Datsun. Another pretty casting right there. Got the rear detail. Says Datsun on it. Love it. Up next, we have the other one was mainly red. Said the blue. And it's the 46 one. Another nice castings right there. Yeah. Now I'm going to show y'all my weekly haul that I have. I'm going to open them up. This Matchbox Porsche 911 Carrera. See what this thing looks like opened up. Check that bad boy out. I'm telling you, Matchbox is getting better and better. Yep, it's a pretty 911 there. One of my favorite Porsches is a 911. Up next, we have the 57 Dodge Sweepside pickup. Pretty cool. Check that bad boy out. Yep. Can't beat these old cars right here. Up next, we got a 1965 Land Rover Gen 2 in the green. See what it looks like on the Turner. Check that bad boy out with camping gear on top of it. It's a nice casting, the Land Rover. Yep. Up next we got the 71 MBG GT Coupe. Yep. Check that one out, y'all. Yep. I got Matchbox this week because all the Hot Wheels are missing off the pegs. Hot Wheels are hard to come by right now. Hopefully they'll start picking up now. Some Hot Wheels be on the pegs. There's another beautiful casting right there. Yeah. Alright, y'all, that is it for this week's right here that I got. My favorite out of these I showed is this one right there. I like number 8. It's a beautiful casting right there. Let me know in the comments which one y'all like the best out of these I just showed. And if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel please and hit the like and the bell for me. Thank you very much.